Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to make a realistic skin texture. As you can see, some parts of our photo there is no skin texture, as you can see, but stick around as I show you how to make realistic skin texture. First of all, you are going to go here in layers and make a new layer. You just click this plus icon and make a new layer. And another thing, after making this layer, go to edit. Here, go to edit, come to fill, or you can, if you have a shortcut, you can, as you can see, you can click shift plus F9 F5 and generate fill. Come here to contents and come to 50% gray. We are going to leave blending mode into normal, opacity 100%, and then click OK. After that, as you can see, our background, come in this blending mode and change this background into overlay from normal, because it was here in normal, change it to overlay. Overlay helps us to make our photo visible, as you can see, but in normal it's invisible, but when we go to overlay it's visible, which is okay. Then come, and another thing, we are going to make this layer, we are going to convert it into a smart object. Right click, as you can see, convert to smart object, click and convert it to smart object. And I think we all know what's the use of converting this layer into a smart object. Smart object always helps us to come back and use these active layers which we have not saved, or it helps us to go back and change wherever we want to change. And another thing, come to filters. We are going to use camera raw. If you have a shortcut, you can click Ctrl Shift A, click in camera raw. As you can see, come to effects, increase this grain. Let me take it around like 80%. Let me leave it in 80%. After setting our grains or effects to 8%, you can click OK. You can see our photo is looking narrow right now. It's not looking good, but stick around as I show you how to make realistic skin textures. And another thing, come to, as we have finished this first setup, then second setup, come to filters, then to this stylize, then to this one emboss. As you can see, it has so many feathers, but we are going to use emboss. Click in emboss. As you can see right now, this arrow, we are going to use this arrow. I'm going to use to direct it where the light is coming from, and you can see our light is coming from this side. Angle around angle 40, 49, 48. Height and pixels, I'm going to leave it in 2. Then this amount, as you can see, as we increase, then there is a lot of skin texture coming, so you have to balance it. Just remember that we converted our layer into smart object. We can come back and we change it later if it's not coming good as we want. Let me put around 150. Let me leave it in 150, as you can see. But you see our photo is still not good, so we are going to use another trick. Another thing, come again to filters, then blur, come into blur. As you can see, there is a lot of these feathers: surface blur, smart blur, sharp blur, radio blur, motion blur, Gaussian blur, box blur, blur more, blur average. But I'm going to use this Gaussian blur. Click it. As you can see, when we increase the pixels or the radius, our textures disappear. So I'm going to use like around, let me set it around 1.0, which I think is good. I'm going to click OK. As you can see, we have already generated our skin texture, although it's not good enough, but we are going to make it good. Just be patient, and if at all you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please comment, like and share. And you can comment in the comment section below what you want me to teach you in the next video. Going back on our video, as you can see, this texture is not realistic enough. It's not actually good enough, as you can see. So what we are going to do, we are going to mask this layer, and I think all of us or some of us know how to mask. You just come here down and click mask. If you click mask, and this white background shows that our skin texture is visible, and you can see here our background and our background, it's black and white. So what we are going to do, we are going to click, or actually click Ctrl I to make this layer background black, to make it invisible, so that we use brush tool, because as you can see, our layers, our skin texture has entered the has gone into our eyes. There is some places which we don't want our skin texture to enter, so we are going to make this, turn this white layer into black by clicking Ctrl I, or put in an inverse Ctrl I. Then we are going to change, it's already changed. As you can see, if here it's black, make sure this layer is also black to make it invisible. So another thing, we are going to come to brush. Yeah, brush, make sure it's a soft round brush and the hardness to 0. Make sure the hardness is in 0. So we are going to start bringing out our skin texture. Start clicking, as you can see, start shading. As you can see, our textures has already started to come, but they are not realistic enough. But just wait, I'm going to show you how to make it realistic. Come to places where there is no skin texture. As you can see, I'm selecting places where there is a lack of skin texture. After finishing it, after brushing this skin texture, make it visible in the photo. As you can see, our skin textures are not looking so realistic. So remember, we converted our layer into a smart object. So I'm going to go back to emboss. As you can see, so try to decrease this, try to decrease this, the amount, as you can see, to make sure that you see the details which are realistic, as you can see, because they were in 150, which was not good enough. It was around here, so I tried to decrease it to make it more realistic, as you can see. As you can see, it's now realistic. You can see. can see it's now realistic. Let me add a little bit. And you can also come to Russian bra here and also increase a little bit. And you can also come again to camera raw. Remember, always try to put a layer into a smart object. Let me increase it a little bit. As you can see now, our photo is looking realistic with a skin texture. As you can see, you can group it. This is our before and after. Our before and after. Our before and after. Our before and after. And if it's too much, always try to decrease the opacity. But for now, mine it's okay. Thank you guys to stick around with me. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, comment below, like our video, and comment what you want to learn in the next video. I will be responsible. I will do a video for you on what you want to learn. So thank you for sticking around with me. That's all. Bye bye.